AZEK Bevel Siding is a great way to get a traditional look of cedar lap siding with almost no maintenance required. To install AZEK Bevel Siding, first make sure that the weather-resistant barrier is installed per code over 1/2 inch plywood or 7/16 inch OSB. Make sure the wall is flat because bevel siding telegraphs wavy walls. Install exterior trim, making sure to include all necessary horizontal flashings required by the building code. Snap chalk lines on the house wrap to indicate stud placement. Begin with starter strips ripped from the top 1 1/4 inches of full siding pieces. Place the starter strip 1/4 inch above the flashing and nail with 15 or 16 gauge exterior grade finish nails staggered between the studs. If you can't complete the run with a single piece of siding, break the joints over studs and use a waterproof butt joint flashing such as painted aluminum or flashing tape behind the joint to deflect water out. Butt the siding pieces together so they're in contact, do not gap. There are 2 ways to detail the ends where siding butts into trim. Leaving an 1/8 inch gap and then caulk the surface after the bevel siding is installed, or you can back caulk the bevel siding before each piece is installed with a max 1/8 inch caulk bead. Stagger each course 32 inches from the previous joint. Space nails no more than 16 inches apart using a .092 by 2 inch hot dipped galvanized or stainless steel ring shank coil siding nail. 5/8 inch from the bottom edge, do not nail through the center of the siding, and 2 inches from the ends of the siding, including butt joints and where siding butts to trim. Continue up the wall, running siding over the windows and leaving a 1/4 inch gap above the head flashing. You may need to pack out the window if the exposure is greater than 1 1/2 inches and less than 3 inches. Similarly, you may need to pack out the top of the wall so that the siding is supported on the top back side.